Hello all, good day. Uh, Recently, I have worked on one project called Post Emails to Blogger. In this requirement, I'm going to read the emails from my mailbox. I'm taking those emails one by one and posting it to my blog as a blog post. Why I have implemented this? Because I most of the time I am receiving most of the job requirements, job post through emails from different HR partners. So I want to uh, take those emails and posting it to my blog without a manual intervention. I want to do this as a automation. So for this implementation, I have developed one Java program. This Java program will login into the mailbox. Will logging into the mailbox, and it will once it is logged in, then it will pull the mails one by one. When I pulling those emails, I'm taking those emails with within last 24 hours, and also those emails should come from the specific email IDs. Then only I will take those emails. I'm posting it to my blog. So for this implementation, actually, the first we need login credentials for our mailbox, and also the Blogger API access. For that access, we have to use Google Cloud Services. In that cloud services, we need to enable the API services. The any API services which are related to Blogger. So for that, I have enabled Blogger API. By using this Blogger API, I can post the content to the my blog. So after enabled my for my account, after enabling this API, I want to create a credentials. I need to create a credentials. So by using these credentials, like login, client IDs and client secret passwords. By using these credentials, I can able to log in into my blog. I can post those emails, and also I need to have the blogger ID. The blogger ID also we need to check. If you my blogger, if you take a look at my blog, so this is my sorry, this is my EDI B2B related basics concepts related blog, but I'm not posting to this blog. I have created one more blog called new job opportunities. So that is latest job opportunities. So I'm posting those requirements to this latest job opportunities blog. So this is the blog ID. This information we need to post as a blog post. So for this, we once we receive those details, we can use this Java program. By using this Java program, we can do this functionality. And once functionality, by implementing to implement this functionality, we need to install many Google API related jars. We need to download and install and configure to the as a libraries. Yeah, we need to configure the project, then we can use their corresponding packages, so that these packages can be uh, the whatever classes are available in those packages can be used within this program to get the functionality. of posting emails. And also the before getting these details, we need to have the email reading. Like once we get the email credentials, we need to, once it is logged in, we need to read the emails, and also we need to read the emails, and those emails should come within 24 hours. And also we need to and also we need to maintain the senders list also we need to maintain. um, by whenever pulling the emails, the program will check the senders list. If the mail is coming from those senders list, then it will pull that email and posting it to the blog. So see, this is the credentials I'm using. This is the whole mail host and username and password and email, and this is the blog id, the blog which we are going to post. And also this is the so this is the credentials. These are the credentials for blog post blogger. To log in into blogger, we need to use these credentials. So this is the program we are implementing. By using this program, we can post the blogs, we can post the blog posts automatically to the blogger website. So let me explain you about let me show you how it can be executed, how it will be executed. So for this, let me send one email to my I will send one email. See, I'm going to forward this email to my mailbox, our mailbox. This is the test mail I'm forwarding. Mm, so let me check that the mail is received and my. The forwarded email we received in my mailbox. Okay, now so I received this email. I'm running that program. Before running this program, I need to add this email ID um, in the email list. So I've already added my email ID in my email list. Once it is added, we can start running this program. So started, logged in. Task done, total posted 1. See, this is the task done and total posted 1. So let we will check whether it is posted or not. So I'm refreshing my blog. So this is my blog. I'm refreshing it. Yes, it's posted. Today is 29, so published on 29. See, this is the blog we posted. Preview, we can see here, see it here. See, this is a test I'm performing. So this is not well framed, but we can post HTML pages also. We can post. This is like this way we can post the content to our blog. So like this way, even I have tested, even I have logged in even Google Gmail also I have logged in, reading my emails in Gmail account. I am posting it to my blog. To read the emails from Gmail, I need to activate Gmail API. By using this API, we can read the emails. That is also, it can read the emails which are coming within 24 hours, and also the email should come from specified senders list. And this is all the whole program can be modified as per our need. This is a sample, this is a sample program I have developed to test the functionality. Even once it is if it see, now it is successfully ran, and it's successfully posted. I have exported as a jar. Even I've scheduled this program for every 24 hours, once in every 24 hours, like this way. Even I have created two programs. One is collecting mails from Gmail, and one is collecting mails from uh, mm, WordPress website email mailbox. In the task set scheduler, I have see, these are the post. This is the one, post job. See, the post jobs to blog from Gmail and post jobs to blog from WordPress email. These are these two are are running every day, for every once in a 24 hours. So like this way, I have scheduled and successfully running. It's performing is good. Like every day it will check, and if we are receiving an email, so it directly collect those emails and posting it to my blog. Like this way we can, not only job posts, we can create a content, and we can create a content. We can give that content to this API, and the API can post it as a posted on our blogs without any manual intervention. So like this way we can implement it, and we can enhance it with and also to create this Java program. Actually, I have used completely. It's developed by um, developed by Chat GPT LLM. So I'm using that Chat GPT LLM to create the Java program, and it's clearly mentioning what we need to do to implement step by step process. But it's not a direct steps, it will not show. We need to understand, we need to implement it. So like this way I have implemented. And also now actually I'm working on a new functionality, like reading blog posts from our blog and posting it to social media channels. Currently I'm testing posting those blog posts as a links. Just I'm posting links with some post description to the social media channel. It's a Twitter. I'm trying to post as a Twitter. It's in complete, still it is in implementing phase. Once it is implemented, I will post another video. uh, Thank you all.